Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today we're going to have a baked penne Alfredo. Tonight we're going to do a baked penne Alfredo with a spinach salad underneath and Cajun chicken breasts on top, served with a Orvieto Classico. All right, let's get to it. Okay, we got the pan going here for our chicken. Putting it on, looking good. All right, pasta goes in. Pasta comes out. Okay, we're going to take those chicken breasts and turn them over and get them ready to pan roast in some of our beautiful chicken stock that we made the other day. All right, time to do the baking. We put the penne in, then the provolone, some prosciutto, cream, ginger, cayenne, and then mozzarella cheese. A little more penne, ricotta cheese, a little more ginger and cayenne. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. And then we'll finish it off with a little more cream, penne pasta, and then the provolone on top. Very, very nice. Look at that. In the oven. Now while that's in, you know what we're going to do? We're going to plate up our spinach salad. Spinach, olive oil, lime, salt, pepper, Asiago cheese, and finish it off with some red bell peppers. All right. Very, very hot. Bubbling hot. Looking good. All right, now we'll take out those pan-roasted chicken breasts. Very nice. Okay, plate up your food. Here it is. The baked penne, chicken breast. Finish it off with a little cheese you found on the bottom there. Lemon, pepper, and some fresh garden oregano on top. Pan-roasted Cajun chicken over a baked penne Alfredo with ginger, cayenne, and prosciutto ham on a bed of spinach salad with red bell peppers and Asiago cheese. Tonight, served with an Orvieto Classico wine. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.